This is the Megalong Valley bottlebrush. Its scientific name is Callistemon Megalongensis.
It is a native Australian plant, but sadly the Megalong Valley bottlebrush is critically endangered.
This plant is special because it is only found in one place in the whole world, right here in Nellies Glen, Megalong Valley.
Here at Megalong Public School, we aim to teach people like you about the Callistemon.
The Callistemon Megalongensis has pinky purple flowers that look like cylindrical spikes. The Megalong bottlebrush flowers in spring and early summer. It has narrow dark green leaves that are about 30 to 45 millimeters long. The whole plant grows to about 4.5 meters tall.
It likes to grow where the ground is boggy and contains clay. Sadly, currently in a drought. Were there any Aboriginal uses for the Callistemon?
So bottlebrush is a nectar plant. So nectar was quite key for sweetening up if you were cooking, say, a lamandra and you'd made a bit of a sort of a pancake, we call it like a flapjack, just a nice flat bit of bread, and you could sweeten it up. If you ever got sick of the good pure water down here in the Megalong, you could add a little bit of nectar to make sweet water.
The Callistemon also provides food and habitat for birds and insects, including our native bees. We'll teach you why the Callistemon Megalongensis is so important. We know that we can do this well as we are keen to save this plant. We are in a unique position to do this because Megalong Public School is only 1 kilometre away from where the Callistemon Megalongensis grows.
While our soil is different to the soil in Nellies Glen, we can use compost, water crystals and mulch to make a boggy soil. We'll grow the plant through propagation and germination. Here I have some seeds. This is where we'll showcase our Callistemons. These are our first plants donated to us as a part of Goolong Landcare. What is Goolong Landcare and why is it important?
So landcare is a process where we try and restore country back to its native state. And as an Aboriginal man, I was taught by my elders, past and present, that looking after country, caring for country is key to health and strength within people.
Once we have more for Megalong bottlebrush, we can share them with people in the Megalong Valley. If other people also plant them, they can germinate and propagate them too, so they don't become extinct.
The Megalong Valley bottlebrush has become a bit of a desire for me and my family and my clan group to care for, because we have a thing called a totem or a moiety system, and in that system you don't just look after an animal, but you look after all your plants and everything under the ground. So that bottlebrush has become what we call threatened and endangered. So the numbers are low, therefore the Megalong Valley being an area where my mum and her family used to come and eat, and it was a bit like a bush tucker shop. Losing that plant would mean we'd lose a sense of animals and a pathway and a sense of connection. So we need to restore that plant to sustainable numbers so we can keep that pathway going.
Together we can work to save this beautiful Australian plant, the Callistemon Megalongensis.